Hello America, Mark Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon to present to you 2021 Bay Star Sport by Newmar. It is a great short gas coach. You're going to love it. Come on in, let's see what it has to offer. Well, coming into this coach, you can see that it's got a beautiful palette of colors in the browns on the wall and the nice gray brownish flooring. It's just pleasing to the eye. One thing I do like is the amount of floor that's easy to clean up. Not a lot of carpet in here, which is really nice. You do have a refrigerator with the wood grain finish on the outside, so it matches. That's really very nice. You have a Dometic 3-burner stove oven and a high point microwave over the top. This coach does have Corian Countertops, which is very nice for chopping and durability. It has a 2-sink Moen accessory right there, and I'll tell you what, those sinks are very deep, and you can do a lot in there. This coach has a booth, which is very nice to sit at, and then a couch that turns into a bed. Going back to the center of the coach, you have the bathroom with tremendous lighting in that bathroom. You have the skylight and the shower, which is a corner shower, and the toilet and the vanity. It all works so well. Going back into the back of the coach, you have a queen size bed. Now that's a true queen size bed, so it's long enough for, you know, someone like me, 6 foot, 6'1", to lay on and your feet not to stick over. One thing I do like is that this coach has the window going out the back, so you can see everything when you're laying there and you've backed up to the ocean or the mountains or whatever you're camping. It's just a beautiful scene. Across from that, you're going to have a TV to watch while you're going to sleep if you like. Nice cabinets over the bed. It's just an extremely comfortable place to be. Coming up into the front, you are on the Ford chassis in this. It is a V8, 350 horsepower. I'll tell you, this thing's an animal. When you come off the line, you could probably burn them off if you wanted to. But one of the things I like about in the cockpit is the little table in the middle that opens up and the seats turn so that you can have a breakfast nook up front with the front windshield and the side windows as your backdrop. Now those do cover with the automatic cover that comes down so that you can black it out in here at night, but it's just very nice. TV overhead, 32-inch. Let's go on the outside and look around. Now this coach is going to have full body paint. It's just a beautiful paint job. It's got tremendous storage underneath. You have an automatic awning. Going to the back, you have the ladder accessing the top so that you can do all the maintenance stuff up on top. You have a 5,000-pound hitch on the back so you can tow your car. 4,000-watt generator. Well, I'll tell you what, as you can see, this is a beautiful coach. I'll tell you, if this is the one for you or any of them we have on the campus, please feel free to give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the guarantee number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.